In this video, I'll show you how to change text fonts in Google Docs. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Chrome browser, right? Once you have logged into your Chrome browser, what you need to do, you need to head over to this dotted icons, right? Click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you scroll down gradually. You'll see this Google Docs. Click on it. Wait for it to open. Once it has opened, click on this blank document. Now, I'll show you how you can change the font in this Google Docs, how you can change the font of anything you want to type into this blank document, right? So I want to type in how to do. So this is how to do. So I want to change the text font of this document, of this text, right? What you need to do, you need to left click your mouse, hold it firmly, drag it, adjust it. I would highlight this, then I would come on here and choose any font of my choice, right? You can choose this, you can choose this, you can choose this, and any one of your choice. This is how you can change the fonts in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.